All right, so last but not least, we're going to take a look at what we call the transformation tools. And the transformation tools allow us to change the size, the position, and to rotate graphics in our document. So we can see here, if we zoom out, we click on our little magnifying glass, and you can see it still has the plus. If you hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, you'll see that turns into a minus, and you can click to zoom out. And you can scroll back over, and here we have our full document. Now, our logo is a little on the small side, so maybe we want to make it bigger. So what we can do is we can make sure that our main layer here with our logo is selected, and we can go up to Edit, and we can do what's called a transformation. And we can do this in a number of ways. But the way I like to do it is to do what's called a free transform. And what that does is that puts a box around our graphic. And we have a couple different choices here. You've probably seen something like this before if you've ever put images in a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word, where if you click and drag in the corners, you can make the graphic bigger or smaller. If you want to keep the same dimensions as you scale, you can hold the Shift key down, and that will keep things locked as you drag and make that image bigger or smaller. So we can also click on the image itself and move it around. So maybe you want to put it in the middle of our document here, and we can see that those little helpful guides pop up automatically to help us center it. Okay, and then maybe we want to tilt it. We want to have it kind of be to the side a little bit. So if we hover around the edge, we'll see we get that rotation, little rotation arrows there. So if we click and drag, we can also rotate graphics as well. Just like that. Now, one thing with the transformation tools that's easy to have happen is it's easy to get stuck in here. So once you have manipulated your image the way you want it to, you have to press the Enter key on your keyboard in order to confirm the changes that you've made. And once you do that, you will see your box disappear and your graphic will be right as you left it.